Famous Finds, the channel that shows your next buy.
Packing cubes are a must-have piece of travel equipment for anyone who isn't already using them. They come in handy for both first-time and seasoned travelers. When you use them, your clothing, accessories, and other belongings will be properly packed in their zippered compartments. Famous Finds has compiled a list of the top packing cubes for 2022. But before watching our list, make sure to subscribe and leave a like to this video. So, now let's start with number 1. The BAGAIL 6-set packing cubes. The BAGAIL packing cubes are available in many vibrant colors and designs, ranging from zebra stripes to a blue pattern with geometric shapes. These handbags prioritize both form and functionality in equal measure. Its fabric is sturdy without being too heavy, and the zippers are of excellent quality and include attractive pulls on them. In addition, there is a handle located at the top, making it simple to carry and transport. You may buy the cubes in packs of 6 to create many storage options for your possessions. It is claimed that the compression of the storage cubes may save up to 60% of the space in your backpack. You may use them all by yourself, or you and a friend can divide them up and use them to arrange your respective suitcases. One other thing that we enjoy about these cubes is the mesh tops, which let you see right through them. Organizing and arranging your belongings won't be such a chore when you have packing cubes from BAGAIL to help you out. You have the freedom to pack anything you want due to a variety of vivid color options and different sizes. Number 2. The BAGAIL 8-set packing cubes for travel accessories. By using nylon fabric, you can preserve the quality of your clothes by preventing wrinkles and stains. This packing cube can handle high-density wear and tear due to its high-performance feature, which allows it to tolerate high-pressure levels. Due to its waterproof quality, save your clothing against spills and leaks without sacrificing elegance. Because the nylon fabric is so very lightweight, it takes little effort to put your things away in your suitcase. A durable and smooth double-way zipper that has an extended cord makes it possible to open and seal the packing cubes swiftly and conveniently. Its top panel that has a visible mesh may not only protect your delicate clothes from wrinkles and odors, but it may also assist you in identifying your apparel, which will spare you the hassle of searching through your whole suitcase. There is a wide variety of packing cubes available in vibrant colors and different sizes to assist you in organizing your clothes. When you are going on a vacation, taking a trip, or engaging in outdoor activities, you may save time by ensuring that you do not lose critical goods and by making the most of the available space in your baggage. Number 3. The DIMJ packing cubes. Packing cubes are available from DIMJ in sets of 6, 8, and 9 individual pieces. In addition, if you are looking for possibilities, you will have your pick of over 20 various hues to create the ideal travel organizing set that complements your sense of style. You can store all of your electrical cables in the cable container that comes with the AP set, which consists of 5 packing cubes, 2 big, 1 medium, and 2 tinies. As a bonus, you'll receive a new design cable case that has mesh compartments and an elastic band for storing all your charging cords and other accessories organized in one place. These can keep your baggage, allowing you to have a decent and pleasant traveling experience. Its top visible mesh design, which is also transparent and breathable, may save you time while looking for garments. Additionally, the packing cube has secured buckles on the inside to keep your clothes clean and in order. You may fold these travel bags up and place them in your bag or backpack to carry them, or they come with sturdy handle designs that make them simple to carry. The packing organizer is made from high-quality nylon fabric, and it has excellent craftsmanship, a waterproof design, ultra-low weight, and resistance to tearing. Number 4. The JJ Power Travel Packing Cubes. Are you concerned about packing too much? Always had trouble finding a t-shirt among a mountain of other clothes? Have no clue when checking through will take place, and you need to repack? When you have these compressed packing cubes, all of this can be neatly organized and stored away. JJ Power provides travelers with an all-in-one travel packing solution, which includes packing cubes, toiletry bags, underwear organizers, travel wallets, and many other travel accessories. Each of the packing organizers is manufactured using high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail throughout the manufacturing process. When you travel, the JJ Power Packing Organizers may help you keep your baggage more organized and make the most of the space within your luggage. It is simple to organize and locate your baggage thanks to the use proposal that is written on the inside of each storage bag and the mesh design that features on storage bags. With their premium quality thick nylon fabric, simple two-way SBS zippers, and excellent stitching, these travel packing bags are the most well-made and long-lasting ones you have ever owned. Many items marketed as packing cubes do not come with actual cubes. Although this one is the real deal, it comes with a free double-layer shoe bag that has enough room for one pair of athletic shoes and another pair of indoor shoes. Number 5. The VASCO Compression Packing Cubes. Packing for travel can be stressful, and finding an item of clothing or accessory in a bag that is not well organized can be a nightmare that requires you to turn your bag inside out every time. Packing cubes provide a smart packing quick fix for every traveler if you are a beginner or an experienced traveler. Packing cubes and bags from VASCO's smart packing system will enable you to maintain order in your baggage and make it easier to locate the items you want. Your vacation will be made much simpler with the help of 7 distinct bags that each have the largest possible amount of useful features. The maker of VASCO bags exhibits responsible judgment while selecting the materials to be used in the bags. They selected a fabric that was both of excellent quality and long-lasting for each bag, keeping in mind the item's intended use. The material is water and wear-resistant, and it has high-quality, aesthetically pleasing fasteners that are also waterproof. Because of its one-of-a-kind and high-quality compression zippers, it may save up to 60% of the space in the suitcase. It's a great accomplishment if you have made it this far. If you're anything like us, you're a big fan of packing cubes and appreciate how effective they are in dividing and organizing your luggage. In the end, there is no such thing as the perfect packing cube, but maybe this guide can point you in the right direction for selecting the best packing cube for yourself. Please don't hesitate to ask in the comment box if you have any queries or concerns. If you'd like to get in contact, please do so. In the meanwhile, you may appreciate this video, too.